Hello. Today I will be showing you how to replace rear view mirror of a Nissan Rogue. The mirror is fine, alright, but the mount broke. Alright, this is what broke. The little which goes around here on the mount. So that's what I will be showing you. Otherwise, it's supposed to go in. It's supposed to be in like that. But the mount broke, so it can't hold the mirror. So I have to. You can't buy the mount by itself. They sell the whole assembly. They sell the whole assembly. That's what I want to do. So to take it out, it's the same. Whether it's full, whether the mirror is there, or it broke out. The most important is how to remove the mount. And all you need to do is to get a screwdriver and push it in the back of the mount. Push it up, push it in, then it will just come out. This one will just slide out. Look here, it has the grooves. These are grooves, right? And they go in. Here there's grooves too. That's why it slides in. Then it holds your mirror. And this is what you'll be pushing out. When you put in the screwdriver, this is what you'll be pushing out. The little clip which goes in the back. Okay. Now I think we have the mount. Let's unbox the new one. Don't buy the one which is not genuine. Don't buy the because I bought it, it did not work for me. So I have to go back to buy the genuine part. It's Nissan, and I'm sure I think it's manufactured somewhere in China. Right? Let me show you how the new one looks like. They come as a whole assembly. It's very easy to replace. It's very easy to replace. This is how it looks like. It came as a whole assembly. This is what I was showing you. When I put in the screwdriver in the back, this is what you will be pressing down. This is what you will be pushing down to unhook it in the back. Right? This one is already assembled. That's how the new one looks like. They're exactly the same. You see what was broken is just the mount. Right? And this one is already there. If you buy the one which is not genuine from Nissan, you'll have to replace this one because they don't come with it. They come with a plastic one. So I opted to go for the genuine, so I don't have to remove this one. You have to replace with the plastic one, and you have to pull this one out and pull the groove, then you put it in. So easy. This one you just need to just adjust this one, then you just push it in, just the way it came. Push it back. There you go. There it creaks. Yeah, you had the creak, right? Then I can just adjust this one. So easy. If you want to add just the glare in the back, you press that one. This one moves. That's how you adjust the mirror, right? And this one. Yep. That's how to do it. It's very easy. All you need to take it out. All I need is to push back here with a screwdriver behind the cover in the back. With a small screwdriver, then it will slide out like this. Okay, that's how to do it. So if you like my video, share and subscribe. Yeah, I'll be showing you how to do more. This is a Nissan Rogue 2017 model. Okay, take care. That's how to replace the mirror. Very easy. So don't go to the mechanic. They will charge you an arm and a leg, maybe $100. All you need It's a screwdriver, nothing else. Okay, take care. See you in the next video. Okay.